All right, one more guy over here. One more guy over here.
Get ready, Junior.
One more guy. Let's go.
Get ready. You're still playing.
No, get out. You died.
He's out.
No, you gotta tell him he's still in, because I don't think he knows.
Grab the shotgun.
He's probably out of ammo.
He got the shotgun.
Okay, thanks a lot, man.
Oh, did it work?
Oh yeah, it's definitely my mag, just too old.
No.
I just didn't think it would be a problem because my AK mag still work, you know. So, but my M4s are like done. They don't they just misfeed. I my hot, but I just bought my hot gun.
If you need another gun, I get them cheap.
Okay.
So
I'm good for now. I'll let you know. We'll be back in like 2 weeks.
All right. You got my number. You could check it out.
Thanks a lot, man.
All right. Cool. Who's that? Get one guy over here. Let's go.
That side.
Yeah, that side lost.
Oh, that side. Let's go. One over here. Come on. He's out. One more. Let's go. One more.
Junior.
Let's go. Let's go. Pick one. Oh, he's in?
Still in.
Oh, he's still in. He got killed first. Still in.
I thought he was leaving.
3 kills.
Now he's out. Let's go. Choose. You're still in. Yes.
Oh, wow.
One more. Let's go.
Kill.
How did you not see
Look to your
that?
left. He wasn't scanning.
I don't see how you didn't see him when he come around that
He
wall.
wasn't scanning. He was just focused.
Yeah. Come past that wall, it was standing over there.
He's out. One more. Let's go.
Is that 3 kills? 3 kills.
He's gonna run out of ammo.
Yeah.
Got max.
Switch mags. Yeah.
He's out. One more over here.
4 kills.
I think it's mad or anything.
You read your bullets are giving you away something.
My safety was on the first time.
One more. Let's do it.
Yeah, doing good.
Let's go.
5. 5-4. 5 hills.
Sniper.
Oh, yeah.
He's out. One more over here. Focus. Come on.
This is the best game ever. Right now I've seen. He's got a hard job. Yeah.
No capping. Let's do it.
Down now.
Let's switch this business.
Yep.
Oh, we left the sniper over
Both out. 2 fresh. Let's go. 1 more here, 1 right there.
clear pistol versus the clear pistol versus they don't even know where they are. This kid's they're so
Which way did he go? 1 more over here.
Good game.
the clear pistol.
I'm gonna shoot from that range. He's hit. 1 more over here. One more over here. Let's go. 1 more over here. Let's go. Get in there. One more over there. 1 more over there. Wait up. Let me get my everybody go on this side.